My name is Cheptoo.
Yes, go ahead.
My name is Cheptoo. The cost of living in Kenya it's not good. We are feeling it. If you're earning, say last year you're earning 100,000. Right now, the value of that 100,000 is 20,000 shillings. You go to the supermarket and you want to buy anything, you cannot afford to buy. What I'm asking the government or our president is to actually look at the mwananchi, because no one can afford whatever that is happening in the country right now. And I also want to speak as a business person. I'm a manufacturer. We cannot buy raw material right now. The cost of inputs has become really very expensive, and you cannot increase the prices of the products that you're manufacturing because the clients cannot afford to buy. So we are in this situation whereby we are thinking, what other business can we do?